Significant science-proven reasons why you need to eat more lychee fruit every day. Lychee, which has the scientific name Lychee chinensis, is in the soapberry family, but is the only member of its genus, meaning that it is quite unique in the world. It is a fruit tree that can grow in tropical and subtropical climates and is native to China. It smells very much like a flower and is often used to flavor cocktails and dishes because of its unique scent, which is lost if not consumed fresh. The fruit is primarily eaten as a dessert in Asian nations and is growing popular in other parts of the world too. The fruit has been cultivated for more than 4,000 years in China and was once considered a great delicacy of the imperial court. It is now cultivated in many nations around the world, but the main production still resides in Southeast Asia, China, India, and Southern Africa. Lychee is soft and pulpy, white or pink in color, and the size is usually about 2 inches in height and width. They are highly eminent in countries around the world because of their health and medicinal benefits, which are due to the wealth of nutrients and organic compounds present in them. However, far more nutrients are present in dried lychee than in fresh lychee, so if you want to consume this for your overall health, forego the sweet smell and allow the fruit to dry. According to USDA, lychee is packed with many nutrients including vitamin C, vitamin B6, niacin, riboflavin, folate, copper, potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, and manganese. Furthermore, lychee is a great source of dietary fiber, protein, and a good source of proanthocyanidins and polyphenolic compounds. Health benefits of lychee. Along with helping you enhance your appearance, lychee also helps in treating digestive issues, increasing blood circulation, cancer prevention, and much more. Let's explore its benefits in detail. Aids in digestion. The significant amount of dietary fiber in lychee, as in most fruits and vegetables, helps add bulk to your stool and increases your digestive health. This helps bowel movements move through the digestive tract smoothly, and fiber also stimulates peristaltic motion of the smooth small intestine muscles, increasing the speed of food passing. It also stimulates gastric and digestive juices, so the absorption of nutrients is efficient. This can reduce constipation and other gastrointestinal disorders. It also helps reduce abdominal obesity, according to a study cited in the Journal of Functional Foods. Furthermore, the anti-inflammatory properties of flavanol-rich lychee also possess hepatoprotective effects, as per the PLOS1 journal. Boosts immunity. Perhaps the most significant nutrient in lychee is vitamin C, and this fruit has more than 100% of the daily requirement of ascorbic acid in a single serving. This means that your immune system gets a major boost, as vitamin C is a major antioxidant compound and is known to stimulate the activity of white blood cells, which are the main defensive line of your body's immune system. Prevents cancer. The polyphenolic compounds and proanthocyanidins found in lychee are actually even more powerful than vitamin C in neutralizing free radicals and protecting the body from various diseases and afflictions. Free radicals are the harmful byproducts of cellular metabolism that can cause cancer, heart disease, cognitive disorders, and premature aging, among many other undesirable conditions. Lychee is a rich source of these organic compounds, so it can be consumed as an effective preventative measure of various cancers. Improves cognition. Researchers from the Southwest Medical University have published a study in the Nutrients Journal which highlights the neuroprotective effect of lychee. The study demonstrates significant improvement in cognitive function and prevention of neuronal injury in the rat model affected by Alzheimer's disease. Antiviral. The proanthocyanidins in lychee have been studied extensively, and they have also demonstrated antiviral capabilities by researchers from the Chinese Academy of Sciences. Lychee tannin A2, a compound found in lychee, has been closely connected to preventing the spread or outbreak of viruses, including herpes simplex virus and Coxsackie virus. Controls blood pressure. Lychee has a wealth of potassium, meaning that it can help your body maintain a fluid balance. It is also low in sodium, which helps too. Fluid balance is an integral part not only of metabolic functions but also in hypertension. Potassium is considered to be a vasodilator, meaning that it reduces the constriction of blood vessels and arteries, thereby lowering the stress on the cardiovascular system. Potassium levels are almost 3 times higher in dried lychee rather than in fresh lychee. Furthermore, Dr. Mahesh Thirunafukarasu ETAL, University of Connecticut Health Center, USA, in a study has revealed that polygonol derived from lychee fruit 2 is a vasodilator, anti-influenza. This powerful phenolic compound found in lychee has been connected to a number of important health benefits, including anti-influenza activity, an improvement in blood circulation, reduction in weight, and the protection of your skin from harmful UV rays when exposed to the sun. It also demonstrates considerable antioxidant capabilities, just like ascorbic acid, and other proanthocyanidins in lychee. Benefits of lychee tea. This tea has a good nutritional profile, with very high levels of potassium, and good amounts of polyphenolic compounds, flavonoids, and beta-carotene, as well as vitamin C and assorted B vitamins. The most notable benefits of lychee tea include its ability to ease digestion, prevent certain cancers, aid in weight loss, and protect the heart, among others. Heart health. High levels of potassium mean that this tea can help to lower blood pressure and protect against atherosclerosis, heart attacks, and stroke. Immune system. This tea provides a major immune system bump in the form of vitamin C, helping to stimulate white blood cell production and protect against the common cold and flu. Cancer. With 3 different types of antioxidants in this tea, it is known to reduce oxidative stress and prevent cellular mutation, which can lead to cancer. Digestion. This tea was often consumed following a large meal, as the caffeine and antioxidants were believed to speed and smooth the digestive process. Weight loss. Caffeinated beverages can stimulate the metabolism, thus helping to burn fat faster and aid in weight loss goals. All the information on this channel is for educational purposes only. Consult a medical practitioner if you face any serious health problems. Last but not least, make sure that you share this very useful information with your friends and family. You may help someone in need. Thank you and have a nice day.